In the name of love. I'm back again. Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 2nd, 2020. It's a 4-star Sudoku, the third one. Let me count the numbers. I think 24, but let me count first. We have 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 23, 24. Yes, 24, I'm correct. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number, and 8 in this column, and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. How about the number? Yeah. We see in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 there, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, we have a 2 over there. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2, yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So in the last row, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 2 over there. So in that row, the only place for the 2. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright, then. One. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And now I have marked those with the dots. For the 2, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. This one is a 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 2. Here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Then 6, 7, and the 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 6, the 7, and the 5. We see here the 5 and the 7, so no 5 and the 7 in this box. One digit left should be the 6. So we have a 7 and a 5 here. I mark them for you so it's easier to follow. Yes. Well. One. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 2 numbers left here in this row for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 should be there. 7 and the 6 are left. I marked them for you, easier to follow. 7, 6. Alright, how about these 3 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Yes. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 1, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. Then 8. Yeah. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. I marked them for you in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a pair here in this big square for the numbers 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4. We have an 8 and a 4 here, so no 8 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 and a 4 there, so no 8 and a 4 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 8 and the 4. Should be these 2 numbers. Alright. So the other numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing, and then the 7 is missing. Alright. So in this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 9, 9. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here and there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 6. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So this box cannot be a 6 anymore. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. Alright. But I have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 7, of course. Yes. And this should be the 5. Alright. We have a 5 now, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And this should be the 9. 8 and a 4, so 1 number left in this column should be the number. This number should be the 9. This number should be the 7. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes, so the 7 should be here or there. So we have a 7 in this column. That means this box cannot be a 7. This should be at a 6, and this should be the 7. We've now a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 6. 1 number left in the last column for the number 5. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first row for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 numbers left, 8 and 4. 8, 4, and 5. Yes. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 7, and this should be the 5. And then 9, 3, and this should be a 7. Yeah. 8 and 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1 number left in this row, the middle row, for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. We have an 8 in this big square, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, no, 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9. This should be a 3, and this should be the 9. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. A little bit slower than the 2 star Sudoku, but if you compare with the 1 star, this 4 stars, I have managed to solve this within 30 minutes. So, do you think it's really a 4 star? I don't know. So, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you want or if you like, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4th Sudoku. It will be a binary Sudoku, so we will see. Bye bye for now. See you later.